and welcome back to our channel. Stay tuned because today is all about you. You do not want to miss out, so go hit that subscribe button right now. Today is a giveaway, and this is something huge. You have seen these products used at Starbucks, Dunkin' Donuts, and even Disney. So we have hit that back to school season. I think pretty much everybody is back to school. I can relate. I don't know, I think it's fun to go back and see friends, etc. But it's also that whole year restarting again, and you guys need a boost. So today we're gonna give it to you. Today is a back to school giveaway, and we have partnered with Versachalk. Now, if you don't know about this company, you would have seen their products in a few locations, as I mentioned, Starbucks, pretty much all those beautiful chalkboards that are so beautifully decorated. They are done with these beautiful chalkboard pens. So today I'm going to tell you more about these pens, how you can win some boards, and how you can transform your home or your office or your classrooms using these pens. So stay tuned. Okay, so let me show you some of the Versachalk chalkboard marker range. They have such a huge range of pens. They have metallic, neons, your standard blacks, whites, the classic look. So I want to just show you this pack, for example. These ones are suitable for using on wine glasses. So you can write on glass, and I think this is really stunning for parties because you can also get people to decorate their own glasses, and it's a good way for them to remember what their glass is. So I'm going to show you, you can write on any glass surface, and the colors are super bright. What I really like about these markers is that they write like chalk. So they give that typical chalk effect, but without that dusty mess. Now you might be thinking, Louise, I love the markers, but I don't actually have any chalkboards. And that is totally fine. You can use these markers on plastic, glass, vinyl, metal, any non-porous surface. I am a huge Pinterest fan, and so I always surf Pinterest and find beautiful ideas. I love doing parties and events, and so I'm always saving different pins for parties and events, and I've saved so many pins for these beautiful chalkboard boards, but until now I have been able to create none. But for our last party, which was our gender reveal, we made some beautiful chalkboard boards. We made the mimosa bar, we made a little book that you can leave a note in for our baby, and we did it all on these chalkboards. And what I love is that this was done a few weeks ago, and as you can see, it's permanent. It's not going to rub off if somebody touches it, etc. You can also buy the Versachalk cleaning kit, and this is 100% natural, so you can clean your boards very effectively, and then you can reuse them as well. I really love the Versachalk markers and boards. These boards are both Versachalk boards. So they're not just my beautiful boards, you can actually buy these on their website as well. I really think that their products are so multifunctional because, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, if you're a teacher, you can use these in your classroom. If you are a student, you can use this at home, you can make notes. We also use this in our office, and we keep track of our different schedules during the week. Gabby's preparing for college, and so she writes herself a little motivational message and keeps it in the bathroom where she gets ready every morning so that she can feel inspired and to try her best and be her best. Versachalk has a stunning range of markers, from neons to metallics to your standard markers, so go check out their website. They also have lovely boards, and they also have this adhesive chart, which would be great for the classroom or for a student. In fact, we haven't used it yet because Gabby wants to keep it for college. She thinks it'll be great to stick on her dorm wall and keep track of her week's schedule and study plans and lectures, etc. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a giveaway, guys, so you do not want to miss out. What you need to do in order to stand a chance to win some of these amazing Versachalk products is you need to be subscribed to our channel. You need to go over to Versachalk Instagram page. We have left all these details down in the video description box below. Give them a like, follow them, and you need to go leave a comment on our Facebook page and tell us where you are in life. Are you a teacher? Are you a mom? Do you need these to decorate your grocery cupboard and mark all your jars? Are you a student? Tell us where you're at, leave where you're from, as well. And then in 2 weeks, we will announce who the lucky winner is of this back to school giveaway. Guys, we have so many giveaways planned over the coming weeks. Tons of baby giveaways because I'm pregnant, and we have so many products that have approached us to do wonderful giveaways for you. And we have our huge annual back to school giveaway. If you have not seen that in the past, go check some of those videos. There you will see we give away a huge caboodle of back to school goodies, and that is coming up in 2 weeks. So make sure you subscribe with your notifications turned on because you do not want to miss out. We have, let me give you some sneak previews, some leather, beautiful, genuine leather bags, pens, stationery, lichtrum notebooks. Guys, those things are stunning. So remember, have your notifications turned on so you can find out when they're live. If you have not seen our gender reveal video, go check it out. Here's the link right here, and you can see the Versachalk boards in action at our beautiful event.